Hello my friends, welcome to the Greek cooking classes lessons. Today we're going to learn a recipe with feta. Feta, you have to know, it's the oldest alive known cheese. When Odysseus went in his journey, the 10-year journey to go back to Ithaca, when he was captured by Polyphemus, the one-eyed giant, the Cyclops, we have a prescription over there about a cheese, and we know that it is feta, so it is for sure the oldest alive known cheese. So now, to make our recipe today with feta, we're going to make some with some ingredients that you can find it everywhere, okay? And the name is called bouillardi. It is a traditional Greek recipe, very easy, very quick and very fast. Now, we are going to need feta, tomato, spicy pepper, parsley, okay, half of tomato, and you're going to need something like that you can put it in the oven. We cut the tomato like that, Greek tomato, okay. We're going to put it over here inside our pot like that. Then the feta on top. We continue. Spicy pepper like that. Some chili, some oregano, sea salt, smoked paprika, olive oil. We continue. We put also some parsley. Okay. It is a very easy recipe. We love it here in Greece. Everybody loves eating bouillardi. Here we call it Molotov because we do it extra spicy. Okay, we love spice. And now we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, in 200 degrees for around 1-2 minutes. When the feta starts melting, it's gonna be almost ready, okay? Stop. Our plate is ready. Here we are. Enjoy it with a good wine, a good Greek wine, an assyrtiko. It's a very good variety, okay? Enjoy bouillardi. Thank you.